Join me in welcoming Ms. Sushree Swagatika Subhadarsini, a senior research assistant who has been an integral part of our brilliance. Her remarkable journey doesn't end there. Alongside her responsibilities at Heredity Biosciences, Ms. Sushree embarked on a full-time PhD program at accentuates her journey, the challenges she has faced, the victories she has celebrated, and the lessons she has learned along the way. So without further ado, let's give a big round of applause and warm welcome to remarkable Ms. Sushree Swagatika Subhadarsini.
Fatima and dear colleagues and interns. So today we are gathered here to celebrate the third Foundation Day of Heredity Bioscience. I also stand here and I remind that I also completed the incredible 3 years with Heredity Biosciences. And I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my abilities, my potential, everything. Whatever I am today, just because of Heredity Bioscience. What Gopal sir told that I don't have aim when I come to Heredity Bioscience. That's true, it's 100% true. I don't have any aim. I just joined MSc after BSc, I joined SSC. Everyone knows SSC training. So I did SSC, but after that I joined MSc, Heredity. But I continue to work with Gopal sir during the COVID period. I have learned that is the email. I never checked my personal emails. But so every day Sadin sir casually said, just check the emails. But I am not serious about the emails. After 7 days, Sadin sir came with a happy voice. Why you are not checking emails every day? It's your first work to check emails. You are not doing your work properly. That day I feel that. And about Gopal sir, in everything, my career, my PhD, whatever sir told, I have published the papers, I have the NCBI submissions and the first prize in the national conference. It's not possible without Heredity Bioscience and Gopal sir. I really thankful sir. You have taught me so many things. What I am today, if some people knows me just because of Heredity Bioscience and Gopal sir. Without Gopal sir, I was nothing in 2021. But in 2024, with Heredity Bioscience and Gopal sir, I am senior research assistant. Sir, thank you so much. You just believe in me and giving me this position, and I will try my best to handle this position and manage everything. Sir, thank you so much, sir. You both are the diamonds in my life, sir. Thank you for changing my life to a casual person to a serious person in this my professional work, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Supporting me, sir. Thank you, sir. And coming to my colleagues. So, you people are amazing. I am working with. You are managing me. You are handling me. You are handling my anger issues. I am really thankful to all of you. When I am in anger mood, every time Promise is in front of me. But you there, Sriram, you are the best partner in teamwork, in everything. You are the best. Coming to Promise, so last 3 years we are working together and every day we have a fight. And Promise is like, I'm not going to talk me to work and you guys are awesome. Seriously, you guys are awesome. Saktigan. Sakti. Every time when I am in a stress mood or everything, I'll call Sakti. Sakti, go to lab. So come to service lab. Nothing, no. But every time Sakti was there with me in everything. In my personal works also, they are helping me so much. And Saktikant is the best teammate. I really. And then Kunmun Rumya is recently joined Heredity Biosciences, but in last 2 to 3 months. First time when I meet Rumya, I think she will not going to handle all the things because at that time she is very much nervous about the work. And भूली जीवार तो अभ्यास रोमिया मैम करो अच्छी समझते जाने थे तो but in last 1 month she is working very hard to taking her responsibilities. After leaving Mona Lisa, she is now handling all the things. It's really a great thing to watch. Mona Lisa. Rumya is handling all the works of Mona Lisa, and also Mona Lisa is there. Mona Lisa also helped me in last 1 year. The one person is helping me in so many works. When I am a work pressure, when I have some experimental works also, Mona Lisa is helping me in all the things. But now she is going ahead in her future, and all the best for that, Mona Lisa. And Ipsita is a new member, joined in last week. So now her situation is also like Ramya. So we are also trying to upgrade her, and we hope that coming month se upgrade heijibo. And then Satya and Swapneshwar. I have not met him in the last 3 days. They are not available in the lab. But today you both are here. You have not shared all the details about him, so you are not count in that PPT. But you guys are helping me in the services, marketing and everything. So thank you so much. And Kunmun and Nivedita. Kunmun is related to me in every work, everything. I have just called her to help me, but every time she was helping me a lot. Like in official works also, like in students joining and in service calling, everything. Kunmun was helping me a lot. And coming to Nivedita, I have in the whole day, I have only 5 to 10 minutes of interaction with Nivedita. But she's very hardworking. She's doing handling all the SKP works. And then coming to Swati ma'am, I recently met Swati ma'am. Now I'm working with her, and hopefully I will try to learn so many things from you, ma'am, in coming days. Thank you, ma'am, for learning me about this protein isolation, then SDS phase, and coming to Western blotting. Thank you, ma'am. These are the new techniques I'm going to learn from you. So guys, this is my journey and I'm really thankful for everything. Thank you, sir. Thank you.